As a graphic designer, it can be very frustrating getting clients, especially if you're just getting started in the field. You've probably been trying to sign up to the online working platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and many more, but the competition in these websites is just way too much to handle. In this video, I'll be showing you one of the ways I use every time, and it has helped me make some extra income. First of all, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Just like I mentioned, I'll be showing you a way you can use to get you some real-time clients as a graphic designer, and it doesn't involve signing into any online working websites. The great thing is that some of the clients I got using this method have kept coming back whenever they have work that they need done. This entirely relies on your hard work and patience. This is how it works. I go to my social media pages, with my favorites being Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and sometimes even YouTube. Normally, I'd specifically follow different pages of people and organizations that specialize in different fields that need a lot of graphic design works. This could be online businesses that rely heavily on marketing and advertising graphic design to promote their products and services. The promotional post could be in the form of posters, flyers, banners, brochures, and many more. These include gymnasiums, entertainment joints like clubs and bars, online shops, educational institutions, and the list is endless. Whenever they make a new post on their social media pages, in the forms of posters, flyers, etc., I always also produce my own version of their design, while trying to make it look even better than their version. After I'm done with the design, I send it directly to their DM, or post it on my page, then tag them on the post. I just try any means possible to ensure that they see the design. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but trust me when I say that it's worth giving it a try. A lot of the organizations and individuals I target always reach out to me immediately or sometime later, while there are also others that completely ignore me. By doing this, I've been lucky enough to get some permanent clients that keep coming back with new design requests. Because I'm also good with video editing, I've always also reached out to different content creators on YouTube, while offering to help editing their videos. I also design catchy YouTube thumbnails for a great number of creators. Try doing this yourself and I can assure you that you won't lack some extra income to keep you going. I wish you all the best. If you found this video helpful, kindly support by clicking on the like button below. I'll leave you with a design quote from Hans Hofmann, and it says, "Design is the intermediary between information and understanding."